There's an AI hack that will grow your entire LinkedIn audience on autopilot, and almost nobody is using it. I'm talking about taking one single piece of content and turning it into an entire month of high-performing LinkedIn posts in seconds. No brainstorming, no writing for hours, no struggling with what to post next. This AI literally builds your content strategy, your posting calendar, and every micro post for the entire month automatically. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up, how to run it inside ChatGPT, and how to turn one flagship idea into 12 high engagement posts that grow your profile every single week. Plus, at the end, I'll show you the exact output we got when we tested this system on a real example, a realtor helping seniors and retirees find the best places to live in the US. If you want to grow your LinkedIn faster and easier than ever, stay with me because this hack changes everything. Now, before we get started, let me explain why this hack actually matters, because most people have LinkedIn all wrong. They think growing an audience is about posting every day, grinding content, writing essays, or doing this non-stop hustle routine, but that's not what actually grows a LinkedIn brand anymore. What really works is consistency plus strategy, and that's where people fall apart. You sit down to post, your mind goes blank, you run out of ideas, you post something random, it flops, and then you disappear for 2 weeks. And then LinkedIn punishes inconsistency like crazy. This AI hack solves that forever. It turns a single well-crafted idea into an entire month of LinkedIn content, structured, planned, and diversified. No more staring at a blank screen, no more writer's block, no more, what should I post today? You create one flagship piece, use AI to atomize it into a full micro-content ecosystem, and suddenly you're posting like a high-end LinkedIn strategist without doing any heavy lifting. And the best part? It even gives you a distribution strategy so your content keeps getting views weeks after posting. So now that you know why this is such a powerful hack, let's actually build the system inside ChatGPT. Alright. Now that you understand why this hack is such a great game changer, let me show you exactly how to set it up. And don't worry, this is one of the simplest but most powerful ChatGPT configurations you'll ever use. So the idea behind this hack is something called Content Pillar Ecosystem. If you've never heard of that, think of it like building a skyscraper. Instead of creating random LinkedIn posts every day and burning out, you build one strong foundation, one big piece of content, and then you break it down into dozens of smaller posts that feed your LinkedIn audience for an entire month. And this prompt turns ChatGPT into a machine that builds that entire system for you. Here's how you set it up. First, open a brand new ChatGPT chat. We want it clean, fresh, and ready to think strategically. Then you're going to paste in the entire prompt, which I've also added in the description. This prompt tells ChatGPT exactly who you are. In our case, a realtor specializing in helping seniors and retirees sell their homes and find the best places to retire in the USA. And let me walk you through what the different parts of this prompt actually do, because understanding this is what unlocks the whole hack. First, the prompt tells the AI to create one powerful pillar piece. This is your flagship asset, something like a PDF guide, a deep dive article, or a LinkedIn carousel that delivers real value and positions you as an expert. Next, the prompt forces ChatGPT to give you the full structure for that pillar. This includes the intro, subsections, points, and even the flow. Then we get to the most important part, the thing that makes this entire system work, which is the 4-week micro-content plan. In other words, this prompt forces the AI to produce 4 things. 1, a powerful pillar content idea, something big, valuable, educational, the type of thing people would save, share, or download. 2, the full structure of that piece. So ChatGPT actually outlines your full LinkedIn article or PDF carousel step by step. 3, a complete 4-week micro-content plan. 12 posts, 3 posts per week, all in different formats, text, images, videos, so you never repeat yourself. 4, a distribution strategy. This ensures your pillar content keeps working long after you hit post. And that's the part most people miss. Most creators publish something once and pray it performs. This system makes sure your content keeps circulating for weeks. So once you paste the prompt, hit enter, and ChatGPT immediately builds your personal LinkedIn growth engine. And now, I'm going to show you exactly what it gave us when we tested it. And right away, the AI gives us our pillar content idea. And it's honestly perfect for this niche. It came up with the ultimate guide to finding the best places to retire in the USA. And this is a fantastic pillar for several reasons. First, it attracts exactly the right audience: seniors, retirees, and even adult children researching retirement options for their parents. This is a high-intent audience. These people are already in the mindset of planning the next stage of life. Second, it speaks directly to their biggest emotional and practical questions. Where should I retire? Can I afford it? What's the lifestyle like, and how do taxes work? What about healthcare? This immediately positions you as the trusted advisor, not just a realtor, but someone who understands the holistic retirement journey. And third, a guide like this performs extremely well on LinkedIn. Long-form value always wins. It's educational, it's shareable, it's save-worthy, and it naturally pushes people into your micro-content for the next 4 weeks. Now, let's break down the structure the AI created for this pillar, because this is where you see the level of detail you're going to get with the system. The AI outlines the entire article or carousel into clear, logical sections. First, intro, setting the tone and framing the importance of choosing the right retirement location. 2, key considerations for seniors. Things like cost of living, healthcare access, walkability, climate preferences, and community. 3, state-by-state breakdown. A perfect LinkedIn-friendly structure, bite-sized, skimmable, and instantly shareable. 4, tips for selling your current home. This strategically ties your services back into the content. You're not just giving them retirement advice, you're guiding them through the entire transition. 5, cost of living comparisons. Seniors care deeply about budgeting and predictability. This instantly builds credibility. 6, final checklist. A practical action-based summary that can be saved, shared, and reused. This structure is perfect for a PDF carousel or a LinkedIn article. It hits clarity, value, and real estate expertise all at once. Now, let's move into the part everyone loves, the micro-content plan. ChatGPT broke that pillar down into a full month of content. And here's how it works. 3 posts per week, 12 posts total. No 2 posts use the same format back to back. Every post connects back to the main pillar. Each post has a unique angle so your feed doesn't feel repetitive. Now, let's walk through week 1 because this is the exact output ChatGPT generated for us earlier. Post 1, text post. A value-packed breakdown of the top 5 factors seniors should consider before choosing a retirement city. This one positions you as the educator and gets shares. Post 2, image or infographic post. A simple visual comparison chart showing 3 affordable states for retirees and why. This grabs attention instantly and performs well in the feed. Post 3, a short video post. A quick 30 to 45 seconds clip breaking down one specific factor like walkability or healthcare proximity. This mixes formats and builds your personal presence. These 3 posts already give you a full week of content with 0 repetition, and LinkedIn loves this. It sees you posting consistently, mixing formats, delivering value, and tying everything back to a larger pillar. That's how you trigger the algorithm without burning out. Now, let's talk about something almost no one teaches, the distribution strategy. This is the part most people skip, and honestly, it's why most content dies within 24 hours. But ChatGPT actually included a full distribution plan inside the response. Here's what it recommended. Reposting cadence. Share the pillar again 2 weeks later, but with a fresh hook or caption. Cross-promotion. Turn parts of the guide into image posts, quote cards, or carousel snippets, driving people back to the main pillar every time. DM strategy. Strategically send the main guide to warm leads, past clients, and referral partners. Not spam, value. Commenting strategy. Engage with posts from seniors groups, retirement planning pages, financial advisors, and relocation consultants. LinkedIn will naturally push your content to similar audiences. Internal linking. Every micro post should link back to the pillar, and the pillar should link forward to multiple micro posts. This creates a content spiderweb that boosts your reach and keeps the guide alive for weeks instead of hours. And that's the magic of the system. You're not just posting, you're creating an ecosystem where every piece reinforces every other piece. And that's how you take one big idea and turn it into a month of high-value content without ever running out of ideas or staring at a blank screen again. And that, right there, is how you turn one piece of content into an entire month of LinkedIn posts without burning out, without staring at a blank screen, and without paying anyone $1. If you want me to take your niche or business and run it through the same system in a future video, just drop it in the comments. I'm picking a few every week. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like the video so more creators and consultants can find it. Oh, and if you're in marketing, you'll love my other video. Marketers, stop paying agencies. Use this AI hack instead. It breaks down another insane automation trick that replaces thousands of dollars of agency work. Go watch that next, and I'll see you there.